Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to see who I follow on X. So that's pretty simple. Let's open X and you want to go to your profile. To do that, tap your profile picture in the top left, and now in the side menu you want to go to your profile right at the top, and under your bio you will see your following count. Let's tap here. And please make sure that you are in this section following right here at the top. And this is the list of who you follow on X. Additionally, you may need to scroll down, but since I have just one following, my list is not so big. So that's basically how you can see who you follow on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.